everybody, welcome to beautiful Guaranty RV at Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you one of my favorite RVs in a Class C body style. I love this nose without the overhead personally, but there are lots of other models that are quite nice as well. But let me show you this one. It's a 25-foot and the floor plan is P as in Paul, and the bed would be in the corner. We'll show you that when I go inside. What you'll see right away on the outside is a nice big window screen, not unlike a Class A, only in a smaller size. You've got your Mercedes engine, some nice driving lights and fog lights, and an entrance exit door on this driver's side, which is very convenient. Come on inside and I'll show you more. When you step in to this little villa, one thing you'll notice right away as far as a Class C goes is there's no overhead bed. Some people like that feature because it does give you a lot more cabinet space. Keeping things in a small space like this is pretty important. There is storage outside and I'll go over that with you as well. In the front you'll notice you've got this nice cabin, big screen for navigation, radio controls, and these chairs do spin around so that they can also be part of your living room dining. Nice big table. This does move out, and these chairs come up to accommodate more guests that might show up at your camping site because your vehicle looks so nice out there. One thing you'll see here is a nice tuck-away sink. So now you've got much more counter space if you don't need your sink anymore, and a cozy little 2-burner gas stove with your convection microwave oven. And in this small unit you still have big storage, lots of big storage. You'll find that very handy if you decide you want to stay another weekend. Over in this direction, because your slide is part of this closet, you've got a huge, deep closet with lighted features. It's really nice. 3 more drawers and cabinets above the cozy little corner bed. It's probably about a double queen size. And then here they've designed this door in the bathroom so that you've got some knee space. You don't have to worry about those straight doors cutting off any knee space in the bathroom. Beautiful little unit. Very, very cozy and lots of features. You've got a fantastic fan that really helps move the air if you really don't feel like using your air conditioning, but you do have a nice size air conditioner. Come on outside, I'll show you this gorgeous awning and the lighting and your storage. This little guy is set up and ready to camp. And what you'll notice when you bring this awning in, it comes with a plastic cover and protects your awning from getting, you know, the mold and the sun wear, and sometimes that sun will tear these up. And that little plastic cover that it's going to meet here in a few minutes is going to be a great feature for you if you do plan to go somewhere sunny or even somewhere rainy. It'll save you from a lot of cleaning that you might have to do otherwise. And it just tucks right in there. And your lights are out on the outside of the awning, also protecting those from wear and tear. Great storage on the outside. Perfect placing for your camping chairs, your propane stove, whatever you want to keep out here. Your 3600 watt generator. Watch out for the mud. On the rear side, you've got the backup camera, your tow hitch. On the driver's side, this is what's called your working side. You're going to have your outside shower, your electrical cords, and all of the hoses that you need for your draining. More cabinets underneath, access to what would be the back side of the closet. And all in all, just a great little unit. Very easy to drive, and it takes a very little space on the freeway and or those side roads. Any more questions, please feel free to call me. You can reach me at the email below. My name's Teresa here at Guaranty RV, and thank you for watching.